My life be like.
From razor-sharp blades to ergonomic handles, these knives blend cutting-edge technology with rugged craftsmanship. Compact yet powerful, they're designed to fit seamlessly into your routine or wilderness gear. Let's dive in. All these product links are in the description below. Number 20. FLISSA Pocket Knife. It delivers a 3-in-1 design featuring a sharp stainless steel blade, a seatbelt cutter, and a glass breaker. Crafted with a reliable axis lock mechanism and ambidextrous thumb studs, this knife ensures safe, one-handed deployment. The durable blade showcases a black oxide finish for better wear resistance, while the ergonomic handle with a convenient pocket clip offers both comfort and secure carry. With versatility suited for tactical, camping, hunting, and EDC. Number 19. NedFoss Knife. It's a versatile 5-in-1 multi-tool built for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency responders. Featuring a razor-sharp 8cr14 MOV stainless steel blade, it also includes a seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, bottle opener, and a 4-size wrench integrated into the handle. Its reliable liner lock mechanism ensures safe use, while the ergonomic grip and pocket clip make it easy to carry on the go. Weighing just 8.6 ounces, this knife balances rugged durability with portability, perfect for camping, hiking, car safety kits, or EDC. Number 18. Kershaw Shuffle Knife. It's a tough, reliable folding knife built for everyday carry and serious use alike. Its 3.1-inch blade is crafted from 8cr13 MOV stainless steel, offering a solid balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and easy sharpening. The blade features a drop-point design with a slightly recurved edge, ideal for slicing and piercing tasks. With Kershaw's speed-safe assisted opening system, deployment is quick and effortless using the flipper tab. A secure liner lock keeps the blade firmly in place during use, while the textured glass-filled nylon handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. Compact, functional, and backed by Kershaw's reputation for quality, the Clash is a dependable companion for work, outdoor activities. Number 17. Damascus Folding Knife. It's a stunning blend of craftsmanship and utility, designed for those who value both function and aesthetics. Its 67-layer Damascus steel blade, featuring a VG10 core, offers exceptional hardness 59 to 60 HRC. The ergonomic handle is crafted from rich red sandalwood and stainless steel, delivering both comfort and elegance. A smooth ball-bearing pivot and flipper allow for fast one-handed deployment, while a secure liner lock ensures safe operation. Compact and lightweight, it comes with a genuine leather sheath for easy carry, making it perfect for camping, hunting, survival, or everyday use. Number 16. VALHALLA Pocket Knife. Beautifully crafted folding blade that combines traditional aesthetics with modern practicality. Featuring a sharp 3.6-inch stainless steel blade, it offers excellent durability, corrosion resistance, and edge retention. The standout design includes a 3D, embossed wooden handle with intricate patterns. A sturdy liner lock mechanism keeps the blade safely in place during use, and the included pocket clip allows for convenient, everyday carry. Whether you're a knife enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or looking for a unique gift, this knife delivers style and performance in one elegant package. Number 15. Roczipeng Small Pocket Knife. This compact fish-shaped pocket knife combines functionality with a unique, eye-catching design. Crafted from high-quality 3cr13 MOV stainless steel, it offers excellent hardness, edge retention, and resistance to corrosion and wear. The oval, fish-like shape provides a secure, ergonomic grip, while the ABS handle with wood grain pattern adds a stylish touch. Lightweight and portable, it includes a sheath and lanyard hole for easy carry on a keychain or backpack. Ideal for everyday tasks like opening packages, cutting fruit, or outdoor use in camping, fishing, and hiking. Number 14. Zingbee Pocket Knife. This folding pocket knife is a beautifully crafted tool that blends traditional design with modern utility. Featuring a 76-layer Damascus carbon steel blade with a VG10 core. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, while the ball-bearing flipper mechanism allows for smooth, one-handed opening. A secure liner lock keeps the blade safely in place during use. Compact and lightweight, this knife comes with a genuine leather sheath and gift box, making it ideal for everyday carry, outdoor use, or as a thoughtful gift for collectors and knife enthusiasts. Number 13. Spring-Assisted Knife. This pocket knife is a perfect blend of classic style and everyday functionality. Featuring a sharp 3.75-inch drop-point blade made from durable X30CR13 stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The elegant olive wood handle provides a comfortable grip and adds a refined, natural look to the design. With smooth, one-handed spring-assisted opening and a reliable locking mechanism, it's easy and safe to use for daily tasks. Compact yet substantial, it also includes a belt clip for convenient carry, ideal for outdoor use, work, or as a thoughtful gift for any knife enthusiast. Number 12. CJRB Maximal Knife. Its 2.95-inch AR, RPM 9 steel blade ensures excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The green micarta handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, while the crossbar lock mechanism allows for smooth, one-handed opening and closing. Weighing just 3.3 ounces, this lightweight knife is ideal for everyday carry, camping, and hiking. Its compact size and robust construction make it a reliable companion for both urban and outdoor adventures. Number 11. Outdoor Edge EDC Knife. This 3.5-inch razor-light EDC knife is a versatile and reliable tool designed for everyday carry and outdoor tasks. Featuring a 3.5-inch Japanese 420J2 stainless steel razor blade, it offers exceptional sharpness and precision. The blade is securely held in place with a black oxide-coated stainless steel holder, ensuring strength and durability. Its Grivery handle with rubberized TPR inserts provides a non-slip grip, even in wet conditions, enhancing safety during use. The knife also includes a convenient pocket clip for easy carry and 6 replacement blades, making it a practical choice for various cutting tasks. Number 10. Spyderco Folding Knife. It features a 3.39-inch full flat ground blade made from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel, known for its balance of edge retention and ease of sharpening. The G10 handle scales provide a textured, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions. Weighing in at 4.2 ounces, it offers a solid feel without being overly heavy. The knife utilizes a liner lock mechanism for secure blade retention and includes a 4-position pocket clip for versatile carry options. Number 9. Tac-Force Folding Knife. Combines bold aesthetics with practical functionality, making it a standout choice for everyday carry. Its 3.25-inch partially serrated rainbow T-Night-coated stainless steel blade offers a unique, colorful finish while maintaining sharpness for various cutting tasks. The black aluminum handle is equipped with a glass breaker and a bottle opener, adding utility to its design. With a spring-assisted opening mechanism, the blade deploys swiftly and the liner lock ensures secure use. Measuring 7.75 inches overall, this knife is compact yet versatile, suitable for light-duty tasks and as a conversation starter. Number 8. MTech USA Knife. Compact and versatile folding knife designed for everyday carry and light tactical use. Featuring a 3.25-inch stainless steel blade with a sleek purple finish, it offers a balance of sharpness and durability. The black aluminum handle is equipped with a glass breaker and a bottle opener, adding utility to its design. With a spring-assisted opening mechanism, the blade deploys swiftly and the liner lock ensures secure use. Weighing just 4.4 ounces and measuring 4.5 inches when closed, this knife is both lightweight and functional, making it a practical choice for various tasks. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Knife. It's a robust folding knife. With an overall length of 8.6 inches and a 3.6-inch partially serrated clip point blade made from 4034 stainless steel, it offers versatility in cutting tasks. The aluminum handle features a rubber inlay for enhanced grip and comfort. Equipped with the multipurpose assisted generational innovative cutlery, assisted opening system, the blade deploys swiftly with the flipper or ambidextrous thumb plate. Additional features include a safety lock, liner lock, glass breaker, and a pocket clip for convenient carry. Weighing approximately 7.6 ounces, this knife is suitable for various outdoor scenarios. Number 6. Buck Knives Folding Knife. Featuring a 3.75-inch clip point blade crafted from 420HC stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The genuine Krelicum ebony wood handle, complemented by brass bolsters, provides a comfortable grip and a timeless aesthetic. With a lockback mechanism ensuring safety during use, this knife is ideal for hunting, camping, or as a reliable everyday carry tool. Weighing 7.2 ounces and measuring 8.625 inches overall, it includes a genuine leather sheath for convenient belt carry. Number 5. Kershaw Shuffle II. Compact and versatile folding knife designed for everyday carry and light utility tasks. Featuring a 2.25-inch Tonto blade made from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel with a blackwash finish, it offers durability and a rugged aesthetic. The olive green glass-filled nylon handle provides a secure grip and houses a bottle opener, screwdriver tip, and lanyard hole, enhancing its multi-functionality. Weighing just 3 ounces and measuring 6.25 inches overall, this knife is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a practical choice for various tasks. Number 4. Sheffield Pocket Knife. It features a 3-inch stainless steel drop point blade, known for its versatility in various cutting tasks. The 4.5-inch polished hardwood handle provides a comfortable grip, and the ambidextrous thumb studs allow for easy one-handed opening. For safety, the knife is equipped with a frame lock mechanism, ensuring the blade stays securely in place during use. Additionally, it comes with a pocket clip for convenient carry and a nylon pouch for storage. Weighing approximately 5 ounces, the Sheffield Boreal is a reliable companion for daily tasks and outdoor activities. Number 3. Gerber Pledge Folding Knife. Compact and practical everyday carry tool designed for ease of use. It features a 3.7-inch reverse Tonto blade with a black oxide finish that enhances corrosion resistance, combining a strong tip for piercing and a flat edge for slicing. The knife includes a reversible pocket clip and thumb stud, making it suitable for both left and right-handed users. Its textured grip ensures a secure hold, while the liner lock provides safety during use. Although some users have noted occasional issues with blade alignment and lock stiffness. Number 2. CIVIVI Pocket Knife. It features a 3.46-inch sheep's foot blade made from 14C28 in steel, prized for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its ergonomic handle is crafted from warm Quaborsha wood, providing both comfort and style, and includes a reversible pocket clip for versatile carrying options. The knife uses a reliable button lock mechanism for secure blade deployment and closure. Users appreciate its smooth action and elegant design, although some have noted occasional lockstick issues that can typically be resolved with lubrication or adjustment. Number 1. Morf Steelware Damascus Knife. Handcrafted blade made using layered Damascus steel, offering both strength and a striking visual pattern. It features a full tang construction for enhanced balance and durability. The wooden handle adds a classic touch and comfortable grip, while the sharp edge makes it suitable for precise cutting. Each knife is unique due to the handmade forging process. It often comes with a leather roll for safe storage and portability. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.